Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The Prof channel today will bring you another gardening episode. All right. This tree you are seeing here, actually, it was planted about perhaps about 3 years ago, but until now it doesn't seems to bear fruit, right? So I'm trying to sort of add this what do you call it, fertilizer here, which I believe can help produce flowers leading to fruits. Yeah, so this evening is almost 6 o'clock in the evening. Yeah, I'm trying to this tree is what do you call it, soursop, it's a soursop tree. The Malays call it durian Belanda, durian Belanda. So I'm here in Kelantan near the South China Sea in Malaysia, trying to work on this tree. Hopefully with the amount of fertilizer yang I biasa masuk ni akan bawa kepada membawa buah belum lagi buah dalam ada. So I'm going to fertilize it inshallah in a while. Okay, so at least an activity, just come back from work, so at least it's good to wind away, right, to have some work around the house. Yeah, so it's something very good exercise, I think. Yeah, sort of sitting at home all the time is good to have some works, you know, move your body, man, have some work. Yeah, so join the Prof channel. What I usually do is to mix the fertilizer, so in a fluid form, in a fluid, so for easy absorption by the roots of the tree. So saya campur dengan air untuk membawa kepada absorption yang cepat dan efektif. Ya. So it's good when you come back from work, at least do some gardening, okay? Move your body, have some work. The more steps you walk, the more healthy you become, inshallah. Okay? It's good to work. Manusia ni kena ada jalan kaki sikit lah. Human being, we are supposed to move, we are not supposed to be static. Yeah, as you move around, it's good in helping your health, in improving your health. So sekarang hari ni I'm going to mix some water. After that I will just go in, or I would what do you call it, apply in the root at the base of the tree. So follow me. Okay, saya sudah campur dengan air, boleh nampak. So I've mixed with the water, ready to be applied. Before applying, I'm going to loosen the soil around the base of the tree. Saya akan cuba bagi cocok untuk bagi tanah tu loose sikit, so dah kalau kita masuk fertilizer tu senang untuk menyerapkan. So I'm going to lose the soil around the flower for easy absorption by the tree. So you can see what I'm going to do now. But be careful not to go so deep in order not to destroy the root of the tree. Once the root is destroyed, your tree will die. So be careful, just loosen the topsoil only. Okay, you know, I've got the certificate or diploma in agriculture. You know, I'm applying that here in my, what do you call, where I live here. Okay, so you can see what I'm doing now. Right, you can see that. Be careful, hati-hati. Hati-hati jangan dalam sangat, nanti rosakan akar pokok ni. So hati-hati jangan pergi. So hati-hati, take your time. Lepas tu barulah apply. Okay, so I think now I can apply now, right? Okay, so I'm going to apply it now. Have a look now. Okay, Bismillah. So saya sedang bubur baja yang sudah dicampur dengan air. So the fertilizer solution, so I'll put around the base of the tree in order to reach the roots. Okay. I think I do this almost every 2 or 3 weeks. I apply it. Setiap 2 minggu atau 3 minggu saya akan baja untuk bagi cepat hasilkan buah, in order to quicken the production of Okay, so this is a very good exercise. So the remaining fertilizer I'll apply to my cassava. I've got some cassava at the other side. This is my fertilizer tree. You can see my fertilizer, my cassava trees. Perhaps in 1 month or so, 4 of the trees will be ready for uprooting and consumption. So if you are around here in Bacho Kelantan, Kamfor, Ubi Kaye, cassava, right? Okay, I think I planted most of these trees about 6 months or so ago. Some about 5 months. So I think another month or so will be ready